Good day, everyone. Today, our group will discuss the topic AI and cybersecurity, defending against cyber threats and risks of AI-driven attacks. In today's digital world, technology is advancing faster than ever. But along with these advancements comes with more complex and dangerous cyber threats. Traditional security systems alone are no longer enough to keep up with hackers who use new and smarter methods to attack networks. This is where artificial intelligence or AI becomes very important. AI helps protect computers and data by learning from patterns, detecting unusual activities, and even predicting possible attacks before they happen. It allows cybersecurity systems to act faster and smarter than humans alone. Our objectives in these presentations are to explain in A to explain what AI and cybersecurity is and how it works, identify its real-world applications, discuss its advantages and disadvantages, and explore its future trends and the possible risks of AI-driven attacks. Through this report, we aim to show how AI is shaping the future of cybersecurity, not only as a strong defense tool, but also as a technology that could be used by attackers if not properly controlled.
So our core content of AI and cybersecurity, um, artificial intelligence in cybersecurity means using smart systems that can think and learn like humans to protect computers and networks. These systems can study patterns, detect unusual activities, and respond to cyber threats much faster than people can. By using cyber By using machine learning and automation, AI helps security teams analyze huge amounts of data and spot possible attacks before they cause harm. So here's how it works. First is data collection. It means gathering data from network traffic, user activity, and system logs. Next, learning phase. Using machine learning, it studies this data to understand what normal behavior looks like. Third, detecting threats. When something unusual happens, like strange login attempts or unexpected file transfers, AI raises an alert. Fourth, responding automatically. Some AI systems can instantly block suspicious users or isolate infected devices. And lastly, learning continuously. The more data AI sees, the smarter it becomes at recognizing and stopping new types of attacks. In short, AI turns cybersecurity from being reactive to proactive. It doesn't just wait for attacks to happen, it just helps them prevent them. Next, application of AI and cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence is already being used in many areas of cybersecurity today, such as threat detection and monitoring. Tools like IBM QRadar and Darktrace uses AI to track network activities and find possible threats. Second, fraud prevention. Banks and financial apps use AI to detect unusual transactions that could mean fraud. Third, phishing detection. AI can identify fake emails or websites designed to steal personal information. Fourth, malware identification. Instead of relying only on knowing virus signatures, AI recognizes malicious behavior patterns. And lastly, automated incident response. AI helps security teams act quickly by automatically responding to and containing attacks. So here's the pros of AI and cybersecurity. First is faster detection and response. AI can analyze millions of data points in seconds, spotting threats quickly. Second, prevention over reaction. It can predict potential attacks before they occur. Third, less human error. Automation reduces mistakes that often happen with manual monitoring. Fourth, self-learning defense. AI improves itself over time, becoming more accurate and efficient. The cons of AI and cybersecurity. Expensive setup. Building and maintaining AI security systems can be costly. Second, needs quality data. AI relies on large amounts of accurate data to work effectively. Third, false alarm. Sometimes AI may flag safe activities as threats. Fourth, used by hackers too. Cybercriminals are also using AI to create deep fakes, automated phishing, and smarter malware. And lastly, privacy concerns. Since AI analyzes user data, it can raise ethical questions about surveillance and data protection.
In today's digital landscape, the threat of cyber attacks is ever present. But what happens when artificial intelligence joins the fray? Incidents like the ransomware attack on Change Healthcare shows how attackers are leveraging AI for faster payload deployment and the large-scale data theft. This is a start of example of the emerging dangers of AI-assisted cybercrimes. Cyber attackers are using AI to automate uh, the reconnaissance, creating highly personalized phishing campaigns, and develop evasive malware that can slip past the traditional security defenses. These AI-driven attacks are increasingly rapid, targeted, and difficult to detect. But AI is not just a tool for attackers, it's also a powerful ally in defense. So we have an example here from Darktrace, where they use machine learning to monitor normal network behavior and detect deviations that suggest cyber threats. By enabling real-time automated responses, Darktrace has successfully prevented ransomware and sophisticated cyber attacks across various industries, minimizing damage. For the second example, we have IBM Watson, where they analyze large volumes of unstructured data to identify emerging cyber threats early. Integrated with security systems in large financial institutions, Watson was proactively detected and stopped phishing attacks and other threats. Next, we have Silence, where they offer AI powered endpoints protection by analyzing files pre-execution to identify zero-day exploits and advanced malware. Its development in the industrial environments has prevented attacks on critical infrastructure, showcasing AI's protective capabilities. As the cyber threat landscape evolves, the role of AI in both offense and defense becomes increasingly critical. Organizations must stay vigilant, leveraging AI to protect against the very threats that AI itself can create. In the battle of cybersecurity, AI is both challenge and the solution.
The future prospects, trends, and future in AI cybersecurity. For the first one, we have the emergence of AI-driven cyber defense. The response to cyber threats will become smarter as AI becomes capable of detecting and responding to them more quickly than ever. For example, firms such as Darktrace and CrowdStrike already employ AI to identify network anomalies, such as sudden surge in data transfer and prevent potential breaches in real-time environments. These systems can even be considered in the future as predicting attacks before they occur using predictive analytics. Next is expansion of AI-based cyber attacks. As much as defenders are employed with the help of AI, so are the attackers. Phishing can be automated with the help of AI, as well as false identities can be generated or malware can be modified to evade detection. Cybercriminals have begun to impersonate CEOs, government officials, and etc. by using deepfakes and voice cloning to trick workers into sending money or sharing sensitive information. Phishing emails generated by AI are also becoming more believable and personalized, making them more difficult to detect. Third one is the artificial intelligence in cybersecurity policy and governance. As AI is gaining strength, governments and organizations are establishing ethical regulations to make sure that it is used responsibly. For example, the European Union AI Act is designed to regulate the application of AI, including in cybersecurity, and prevent abuse and privacy violations. In the future, companies may be legally obligated to describe how their AI systems make decisions concerning security threats. Next slide, please. Next one is the artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Quantum computing is a revolution that would transfer data security both positively and negatively. So here's one scenario. IBM and Google are developing quantum processors that may eventually render existing encryption systems obsolete in a matter of seconds. This indicates that cybersecurity experts are scrambling to develop quantum resistance encryption algorithms that can withstand this level of power. Next is the larger calls to hire AI cybersecurity experts. The more AI is involved in security systems, the more specialists who are knowledgeable in both areas will be required by the organizations. Examples of cybersecurity jobs such as AI security engineer, threat intelligence analyst, or machine learning security specialist are new individual companies, such as Microsoft and Google. Already have dedicated AI security teams that examine the security of AI models and data, as they may have been manipulated or stolen.
To conclude our discussion, we've seen how artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity by helping systems detect and respond to threats faster and more accurately. AI has made cybersecurity more proactive, meaning it can prevent attacks before they happen rather than just reacting afterward. However, as powerful as AI is, it also comes with risks. The same technology that protects us can also be used by hackers to create smarter malware, realistic deepfakes, or automated phishing attacks. It raises new ethical concerns, especially when it comes to data privacy and the misuse of AI systems. Our key takeaways are that AI provides faster detection, reduces human error, and continuously learns to improve defenses. But it must be used responsibly and regulated carefully. The future of cybersecurity will depend on how well we balance innovation, ethics, and data protection. As AI continues to evolve, collaboration between AI developers, cybersecurity professionals, and policymakers will be essential to ensure that technology protects people rather than puts them at risk. Thank you, and that concludes our presentation.